Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, I want to do a quick little review on this little MaxiScan MS509 OB2 scan tool, okay? I think I've done one before, but since I'm working here on a little Hyundai today, we just got through doing some work to it. I'm getting ready to clear the code. I was just going to take you through the functions of this scanner. Okay guys, with the scan tool plugged in, we're going to go ahead and cut the key into the on position, and then we're going to go ahead and hit enter. Okay, and right here we have we're going to actually just go ahead and hit diagnostics because we want to pull up the codes that I'm getting ready to clear out of this thing. Let's hit that one time. And like I said, this is a really inexpensive scan tool, and I'll have a link down below. They have them on eBay. This guy sold about 20,000 of these things probably by now. And right here, when you get to this little screen, just go and hit yes. And mill status, we do have a check engine light on. We have 3 codes, and right here it's going to give us the option to read them. We're going to read stored codes. We have a P0174, which is a bank 2 lean. We have a P0154, which is O2 sensor circuit, no activity detected, bank 2, sensor 1. And we have a P0150, O2 sensor circuit, bank 2, sensor 1. And the repair we did on this car to start with was the O2 sensor, because we had a wire broke in the sensor because it had got tangled up into the fan. So now we want to, if we want to escape out of this, back up, we can hit the escape button, and we can back up one more time, and we can go ahead and tab down to erase these codes. But before we do that, let's see what our freeze frame looks like. Just want to show you we do have freeze frame on this, and we'll see what it detected at the time that it triggered the code. You can see right there at P0174, and you can actually look at the data of what every sensor was doing, the RPM that it happened at, and so forth. Okay, sometimes that can be helpful in diagnosing a problem. We never even took a look at it on this one. We found the problem with the visual inspection. I'm going to go ahead and erase these codes. We're going to hit enter. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? We want to hit yes. Erase, done. Press any key to continue. We'll go ahead and hit, well, it's going to go ahead and back us on out anyway. We'll go back to read codes. Let's check it out right quick. And there are no codes stored in the module this time. Guys, this is a definitely an inexpensive little scan tool. I mean, for 35 bucks, you can't hardly beat it. Just to check a code, it gives you a brief description of what the code is. You do have freeze frame capability on this thing, and just a great little scan tool to keep around the house or keep in your toolbox. Maybe we'll actually link this video with the Young Mechanic series. Would be a great little inexpensive scan tool for a young mechanic to have when just getting started. Thank you, friends, for watching this little video today. Remember, we will have a link down below if you would like to purchase one of these yourself. Have a wonderful day.